In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to navigate to the Google Gemini page. You can do this by entering the URL directly into your web browser. Once you're there, you'll see an interface that's simple and straightforward, designed to make your experience as seamless as possible. Now, it's time to sign in. Use your Google account credentials here. If you're already logged into your Google account on your browser, it might automatically sign you in, which is convenient. If not, enter your email and password to get started. It's essential to make sure your account is secure when using tools like these. So if you haven't set up two-factor authentication yet, it's something you might want to consider to enhance your security. Once you're signed in, you can start a new chat. This is where the magic happens. Google Gemini uses advanced AI technology to engage in conversations with you and assist with a wide range of tasks. To start a chat, look for a button or option on the screen that indicates initiating a new chat. Click on that and you'll be ready to begin. Now you have a couple of ways to communicate with Gemini. You can type messages directly into the chat box. As you type, take note of how responsive and intuitive the AI is. Alternatively, if you're in a situation where typing isn't ideal, you can use your microphone to speak to Gemini. Generally, there will be a microphone icon in the chat interface that you need to click to begin speaking. Make sure your device's microphone is enabled and properly set up to avoid any hiccups. At this point, you might want to explore the different models available. Google Gemini sometimes allows users to switch between AI models, offering varied functionalities and perspectives. Switching models can be especially useful when you're tackling different types of tasks or seeking alternative insights. If this option is available in your Gemini interface, look for a settings icon or a menu where you can select from different models or configurations. Finally, it's about putting Google Gemini to work on your tasks, whether you need help with research, creative brainstorming, organization, or simply want to engage in some friendly conversation. Gemini is there for you. Explore its capabilities and try various requests to see how it can streamline your workload or even help spark new ideas. That wraps it up for our quick guide on how to use Google Gemini. I hope you found the walkthrough informative and that you're now ready to explore all that Gemini has to offer. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.